Slang in English. Number 1. Flick. Meaning a movie. Example: wanted to watch a flick on Friday. Number 2. No sweat. Meaning it's not a problem. Example: picking you up was no sweat. Don't even mention it. Number 3. Laid back. Meaning relaxed or calm. Example: this weekend was very laid back. Number 4. You bet. Meaning certainly you are welcome. Example: thanks for your help. You bet anytime. Number 5. Dope. Meaning cool or awesome. Example: this music is dope. Number 6. Sloshed. Meaning to be drunk. Example: he always gets sloshed at the annual office party. Number 7. In no time. Meaning very soon. Example: the video sold 30,000 copies in no time.